loved him. I always had a crush on him, but he never did know that. But he was in Nashville around 1964 when I was there, and he used to play on some of my very first country hit records, and he did on a lot of people's records there, and he was just the new thing in town. Everybody was talking about how great he was, how great the songs he wrote were, and then a little later on he got a record contract, and he became one of the biggest recording artists in the country music business, and he also became a movie star, and I'd like for you to meet him right now. You're going to know who I'm talking about just as soon as I say his name. It's Jerry Reed, straight from Dixie's Place. Get on out here. Don't embarrass me like that.
Boys, this is your national anthem, okay? Guess it was back in '63 when eating my cooking got the better of me. And I asked this little girl I was going with to be my wife. She said she would. So I said I do, but I'd have said I wouldn't. If I just knew how saying I do was going to screw up all of my life. Now, the first few years when all that bad, I'll never forget all the good times we had. Of course, I'm reminded every month when I send her the child support. And it wasn't very long till the dust all died. Now, I'll admit I wasn't too surprised that they'd come home and seen the suitcase sitting on the porch. Well, I tried to get in, and she changed the lock. I seen this note on the mailbox that said, "So long, turkey. My attorney will be in touch." Well, I decided right then and there I was going to be a nice guy and give her fair share. Mr. North Share was going to be quiet that much. Well, she got to go right. I got the share. They said they're splitting it all down the middle, but she got the better hand. That all sounds mighty funny, but it hurts too much to laugh. She got the gold mine, and I got the share. Now listen, boys. They ain't heard nothing yet. They give her the color television set. Then they give her the house and the kids and both of the car. Next, they start talking about child support and alimony and the cost of the court. Didn't take me long to see how far in the toilet I really was. And I'm telling you that they have made a mistake because it adds up to more than I make, and everything I got worth having, they have already took. While she's living like a queen on alimony, I'm working 2 jobs eating bologna, asking myself, why didn't you just learn how to cook? Well, she got the gold mine, and I got the share. They said they were splitting it all down the middle, but she got the better hand. That all sounds mighty funny, but it hurts too much to laugh. She got the gold mine, and I got the share. Wait a minute.
Time out.
Oh, wait a minute.
Listen, I want you to know that that's your side of the
What are you
tale.
doing here?
We girls know there's another side to this story, right? But I'm going to tell my tale. Okay, so I got the house where the floorboards creak and a porch that sags and where the beams are weak and a roof that leaks like a faucet when it rains. Yeah, and that color TV gets nothing but snow and the cars won't move without a tow, and I should have had him towed away if I'd have had any brains. Yeah, he's got no compassion, not even an ounce. Oh, he might send a check, but I watch it bounce, and I know my alimony is looking mighty grim. Still, I could take all that without any fear if I didn't have to see his face around here. But them kids he left me, Lord, they're the spitting image of him. You call that a gold mine? I call that the shaft. Yeah, I should have split him right down the middle. This so-called better half. Yeah, my teeth hang funny, but it hurts too much to laugh. You call that a gold mine? I call it the shaft.
Now, you've heard her side and you've heard mine.
Yeah, and evidently, somebody's lying.
Now, I asked you, ain't this an honest face? Well, she got the gold mine. I got the share. They said they were splitting it all down the middle.
Yeah, but you got the better half.
It all sounds mighty funny.
Yeah, but it hurts too much to laugh.
You got the gold mine and I got the share. I said you got the gold mine and I got the share.